If you are having a meditative practice, you may notice and know the difficulty of discovering what awareness itself is, to keep attention on awareness itself. And here's my suggestion for you how you can make this practice easier and get a better sense for what awareness actually is and what its relation is to your direct experience, what your relation is to your thought, what the relation is to your thoughts. And this is a practice where you start focusing on the innermost sense of being aware. For the start, it might be difficult to get a feeling for that and to find this point of awareness. And you will go ever more deeper inside to find this sense of I'm aware, I'm here, I exist. And when you focus on that for long enough and you stabilize your attention, you may find that actually there is really nothing there. It's a completely empty point that becomes filled with all of your sensory input. And at that point, when you are in that situation, when you are struggling to get a sense for awareness itself, whatever you have discovered about awareness, put this awareness on any object that comes in while you're meditating, like sounds, birds singing outside, or maybe the sensations in your body. And then to switch between this, whatever you have found to be awareness, and these objects. To put awareness on awareness itself, and then on an object, and back on awareness, back on an object. And then you will over time develop a sense for what is actually the difference between objectiveless awareness of itself, and awareness of objects. And what I've found, what that does is really give you a sense of what the essence of awareness is. Because there is something that stays the same when you are focusing on an object. There is something that is the same in awareness itself and an object. And what I've discovered, and what you may discover as well, is that the objects themselves, they bring awareness with them already. There is just no separation between the essence, between the subject and the object. The subject and the objective merge in this awareness of having a sense of difference between awareness itself and the object. And so make your practice for some time to really concentrate on an object, like I like to do. I like to concentrate just on the feeling in my hands while I meditate, and then switch back between this concentration on the object and the concentration on awareness itself. And over time you will develop a sense for what it actually is, what that underlies all of reality, which is the pure emptiness, or the just consciousness, awareness, however you want to call it. And I found it's very good to have this contrast back and forth between some object arising in consciousness and then trying to find this consciousness itself. That's it for today. I hope it helped you. I hope you liked it. And let me know in the comments what kind of meditative techniques you use. I'm really interested to hear, and share your thoughts, your questions in the comments, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.